YouTube, so what is true? I don't believe in you. Meaning, this is really, okay. So, first idea I have. What is a galaxy? Well, if planetary systems are unreal but real at the same time, meaning that they invent new perspectives on the world, but multi-perspective on conscious, or the perspective of conscious to conscious is not a good idea unless with your loved one. Then what is a planetary system? Well, planetary system is something of nature that derives itself from order, but also chaotic order. The center in a planetary system is chaotic by default, because a planetary system, if such of case that it is an illusionary idea of the plane that you interact with as actual plane, meaning that the surroundings of you are conjured up as ideas of exiting the plane, meaning the base ground of reality, even if reality is not real, then the question is still, is planetary system chaotic? Maybe not, maybe yes. But here we come to the whole idea why I say the base ground of the reality foundation you interact with or want to exit is chaotic. And that you can view, because if on other planets water does exist but only circulates around the planet, above the ground or really in the planetary structure, you would know that water on Earth circulates with the planetary structure, meaning the water in Earth or on Earth is chaotic. Second, if the light reflects on other planet differently than on Earth, then the planetary structure is by default synmorphous, meaning it synergizes by non-morphosis. So basically what this means is, and that is fairly important, what if a planetary system of multiple ideology, meaning the planet star, or do represent or represent different attitudes towards the base ground of the planetary system? That would in fact make that hypothesis true. But even more so, if the base ground is chaotic, then the planetary system around it should change while the base ground just expands on any degree. Meaning every time a tree grows on Earth, something in the planetary system around it should, according to the previous mentioned arguments and rationale types, change. Now, it should really stop being angry. This is not a rübser, this is angry. Basically, to prove that hypothesis in mathematical astronomical value, not calculation, if planet X, but not planet Nibiru, if planet X circulates in such a case that the sun, not the sun, is interchanging wavelengths with the planetary structure, how does it come, but not literally come, that the light on Earth is not reflected but intertwined, meaning the absorption on Earth intertwines with the reflection of it, but not on other planets? Unless the planetary structures around Earth are unreal till you view them, for that is, it's a stable construct of a planetary idea, meaning a plane. And if such case is case, then why does the moon on Jupiter or any other planet interacts differently with the planets on Earth? Meaning, what my wife is trying to say, if there is something like the moon around Earth, there should be something like the moon around other planets, maybe even a second sun around the sun. And that would really hold true then. Because argument given that the factor of how the planetary system moves around the planetary idea or illusion created by the people on Earth. If Earth is a whole kid reality, meaning this is the reality of God's children, with me included, and my wife, and God not here ever, point, then how, if Earth collective experience, does it come, not literally, that if the planets exchange circulation, meaning they rotate differently to each other, the rotation of Earth reverts in something that is unabided to it. And if that's true, then how does the sunlight reflects on planets viewed as suns or stars as itself without the sun being?